Good time of day, my name is Eugene and this is Android testing videos. So, quite lazy Sunday, chilly weather outside, and I'm starting shooting this video. So, several months ago I decided to shoot series of videos about Android unit testing, and this is a pilot video. And in this video I want to answer four fundamental questions, and yeah, these questions not about Android unit testing but about these videos. The first question is why. I'm active Stack Overflow member on Roboelectric unit testing tag, and I'm also scanning the discussions on two Android Slacks. And first of all, I see many questions about starting point, references, some documentation, tooling for Android testing, and this is fine, so many people need it, and I hope these videos will be good starting point and maybe a good reference for Android unit testing. Secondly, I see sometimes questions like how can I test activity which is reading something from a file, and for me it's clear sign that people are missing some software design principles, and it's much harder to explain. So many times there are no proper solutions. Some design is better, some design is worse. And I think unit testing is first feedback and quite simple metrics about your design. So if it's hard to write tests, if it's unclear, hard to understand, you have many dependencies, it's unstable, it runs long. All of these are actually a sign that you have problems with your design. And I want to help you with this clear writing unit tests, so you know precisely the problem is in design but not in writing tests. And the third reason why, it's a sharing my knowledge, my experience, my vision. Last year I was rejected from 2 conferences, and I think these videos are kind of replacement for the conference talks. The next question is simpler, who? And as I mentioned, this is a starting point, introduction to Android unit testing, and I think the main audience for these videos will be junior and medium Android developers, as will people who are interested in Android testing and Android unit testing. I hope also senior guys will find interesting these videos, and it will be a source for discussion with me and colleagues. So smoothly coming to the next question, what? And I'm planning to shoot a mix of theoretical and practical videos, and if my video editing skills are good enough, you see the draft of list of selected topics on the screen, and let me run quickly over it. In the next video I would like to talk about testing scopes, why there are so many of them, what the purposes of testing scopes, and some knowledge around it, like characteristics, amount of tests, running types. In the second video I would like to talk about Roboelectric, mechanics behind it, so what I test with Roboelectric and what I would not test with Roboelectric. In the video number 3 I will show how to set up unit testing for Android application with help of JUnit, Mockito, AssertJ, and Roboelectric. I swear with this setup you can test around 99% of your code. And in the next video I will talk about important concept of creation and usage separation, and more about mocking, faking, stubbing, and spying. Next video will be a practical video about dependency organizing with Dagger 2, and some tricks about usage of static APIs, third parties, etc. Everything that makes your testing lives harder. Video number 6 will be a philosophical video, a philosophical topic. I would like to talk about what to test and what to not. What is primary goal for unit testing, what are others, and how should you treat your test code. Video number 7, I will try to demonstrate in practice everything that's shown in video 6, more examples of testing various classes, etc. And video number 8, I would speak about test-driven development, TDD, what it is and what it is not. and I will show TD for one feature for Android application. Video number 9, I'll talk about testing pyramid, integration test, acceptance testing, building pipeline, continuous delivery. Video number 10, I'll probably show an acceptance testing for Android setup with Appium or Calabash. Didn't decide yet which I will choose. And 11th will be about incremental builds, variants, code coverage setup, lint, and other important practices and tools. Let me notice this is a draft agenda, so if you want to see something else, just let me know. As well, if I'll see I'm missing something interesting, I will announce and edit. And if you're still counting, the next question will be last one. It's when. So I'm planning to keep pace of 1-3 weeks for a video unless something unexpected happens. Since I'm lazy, the future of these videos depends on the feedback. If I see that it's interesting for people, I will continue. Otherwise, I will probably resume my attempts with conference talks. And finally, you already noticed it, English is not my native language, so your feedback about speaking, pronunciation, speed of talking is appreciated. I think it's important for videos and myself. And I think that would be enough for the pilot. So please give a feedback and stay tuned.